Okay, Christian, today we are going to do the external and internal rotation. We're going to start with 2 feet down on the step. You're going to really concentrate on keeping the pelvis still and stable, okay? As an idea that you can put your hands on your hips to make sure that they're not opening up as you externally or internally rotate the knee. The first one we're going to do is you're going to keep your feet on the step and slowly slide the left foot towards the right. And the knee is externally rotating as you're keeping the hips still, okay? Just show if you do drop down, okay? You don't want that to happen, okay? So you want to keep that pelvis still as you're dropping the knee down, okay? So we'll do one more correctly. So the pelvis is staying still, the foot's sliding together and the knee is moving out, okay? Slowly bringing that knee up, placing the foot back on the step there. Back to hip width apart. You're going to keep the knee in line with the hip and you're going to internally rotate while the foot comes to the edge of the step. Okay? I'll show you how you can actually add the range of movement onto that if that's too easy. That will be in progression 2 and 3, which is next to come. So you're just going to bring that back to hip width apart. The next progression, number 2, is you can actually use a ball, which just brings it down slightly lower for you there. Again, this makes it harder to actually keep the pelvis still. Okay, so you're really going to concentrate on that for me, Christian. I'm going to bring the ball underneath. I'm just going to push the step out for you, so if you bring it back up. Right, gives you a little bit more room there to roll the ball under the knee. The hips are staying still, the knees coming out to the side, and then you're slowly bringing the ball back up so that it's hip width apart and the knee comes in. So the knee is in line with the hip as you internally rotate out, okay, and the pelvis again is staying still, okay. So that's progression number 2. Number 3, we're going to take the ball away, okay. You're going to get more of a stretch with this one because what we're going to do is we're actually going to bring the foot to the floor, okay. And with this one here, you can just get a bigger range of movement, okay. So you're going to bring the foot underneath the knee, pelvis staying still, and you're really opening that hip joint up there. Bringing the knee back up in line with the hip, so the knee stays in line with the hip, and then you're internally rotating, the foot's coming out, making sure that the knee stays in line with the hip there. Okay, feeling the stretch on that one? Okay, so through here you should feel the stretch, alright? Coming back up to hip width apart, and then that's progression 3.